Hey everyone, welcome to another video, this one to try and just keep up to date on creating and verifying a YouTube account. That way you can have your channel set up and upload videos of any duration. And all it really takes is verifying the account. But I'm going to show you what the screens or the updated screens look like, as well as navigating your channel. So I'm going to pick out a card at random here. One of the things that I do is as a certified trainer for Google is I'm constantly working through this. So we are going to log in as Black Widow and see if Black Widow has an account set up. So Black Widow at joshedtech.com. Enter the password. These are just training accounts that I use for people. So this is a fresh account. You can see I'm even accepting some of these things as I go through here. I am going to not do anything with my Google account right now because I'm just going to delete it a little bit later, so I'll confirm that. Once I've signed into the account, you're going to notice in the very top right hand corner that I now have my Manage Account area. One of the first things that you should do is create a channel. When you're creating a channel, you're really just putting a place where all of your public videos could be shared. This isn't your unlisted ones, just your public ones. So you can use your name, which is what I do. Black Widow is Natalia Romanova. I always thought it was Romanoff, but whatever. So I could be Natalia, or I could just create a channel with whatever name that I want. So perhaps this would be my WLC teaching channel. All right, and I understand this, and I am going to create that. To verify your account, simply put in your phone number, and they'll send you a text message. So I threw my phone number in there. As soon as I am done with that, I am going to get a verification number texted to me. And once they do, there it is, 917701. I would put that in. My account is verified. I am going to cancel any of that. And I'm going to actually create a channel that's just my name and see if I can't kind of skip through all of these things. You could enter whatever you want. I'm going to hit set up later for this, and you're going to see that I now have a channel, but I haven't verified anything yet. So the way to verify an account, and this is probably useful if you've already created a YouTube account, is go to your username icon. You're probably going to want to go to the settings for YouTube. And you'll see on the settings for YouTube a couple of things down here like channel status and features. I'm going to click on that. This usually tells you all about whether or not you've broken any rules and get any strikes and whatnot. But more importantly, here's the verify button. I want it to text me, I'd put my number in there, go through those same steps again, and I'll have a verified account. That takes away the 15-minute upload duration on there. A couple other things while you're looking through here, just the normal navigation. You've seen a couple of times as I've gone to YouTube and then used the top right-hand corner to go to a couple of different areas. One of the places that you're probably going to get familiar with is your channel. So let me just show you my channel because it's got things on it. It's YouTube/Joshua Johnson WLC. This is what my channel would look like. These are the things that you could actually customize. You can put backgrounds, have all of your pictures, organize the content in the order that you want it to appear here. You can have playlists, all of those types of things. The other area is to actually go to the YouTube Studio. This is where you can really work with each of the videos. So I will, again, because this one doesn't have anything, here is my YouTube Studio. On the first page, I just see a dashboard. I can see what's going on. Hoping eventually to get to 1,000 subscribers just so I can stream live squirt hockey games. But Content. That's where most people are going to spend a lot of time. Here's all of the videos that you've uploaded. You can see them unlisted, public, whatever they happen to be, as well as playlists. Now the playlists can combine not only videos that you've uploaded, like some of the things that I have here, like I uploaded kids hockey and my stats videos, but it can also contain videos that you've just curated from other people. Really handy. For example, the simplex method was something I used in business analytics. This guy did a great job. I saw no reason to really update it, although I do think to a certain extent it's nice to personalize the content for your students, and in some cases it means redoing what other people have done. Plenty of people have done a video like this showing you how to create and navigate a YouTube channel, but a lot of people will want to hear it from someone they know. Plus it's constantly keeping it up to date. So you'll notice that I've got things like the future, a lot of Ray Kurzweil and futurists talking about technology and education. But you can take those video playlists. For example, I'll click on the public one here. And here I have then a playlist of things that I could share with people. Going to the play all, I tend to do is copy the actual URL from the top, and I'm going to jump into a blank screen and show you that when I paste that URL, it opens that video as well as the other playlists, parts of the playlist that are here. And if you didn't catch that, I was over here on my YouTube account before watching that. That's where my playlist was. When I pasted it, I'm now on Natalie's YouTube account. So I can go ahead and watch the video there. One of the final things that I want to point out is that from a lot of these different places, whether I'm on my dashboard and videos, or even when I am simply at youtube.com, if I am signed in, I will have in a couple of places this ability to create a video. So here I'll just do create a video, upload a video, I'll sign in with my account. And once you do that, you'll be able to actually upload the video. I've shown this in a couple other ones as well. Just drag and drop or select the file from your computer. It works with just about any video type format. You'll see when I'm actually on my channel, there's a big create button. You also have the ability just to go live. I don't recommend it, but it's another nice feature. If I just wanted to go live right now, I'd have to have a verified account. It's just going to go live to YouTube. So another way if you wanted to have an even bigger audience, but there's not as much opportunity to have a back and forth without managing and looking at your chat and whatnot. So a lot of times I just record the video, upload it to YouTube, and go from there.